In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your Instagram account. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Instagram application and just simply click the profile icon on the bottom right in here. And after doing so, just simply click the three lines on the top right corner and it will show you a variety of options under these settings and activity. But to proceed monetizing your account, just proceed by simply clicking this option in here under professionals section, which is account type and tools. And after clicking on it, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to click the option switch to professional account. And from here, it will show you some of the tools and feature that they offer upon switching to your professional account. In which by clicking the next button, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to click the categories that best describes you. And I'm going to choose video creator. Then proceed by clicking switch to professional account button in here. And you could also toggle on this one to display on your profile this category, which is video creator. And after that, you will be directed in here and it will ask you what type of professional are you, but I'm going to choose creator. Then click the next button and click OK in here. And again, click the next button in here. And from here, you have the option to share logins using Account Center. Or you can click Not Now, and after that, it will ask you how you can start setting up your professional account in here. We have here 3 steps that you need to complete, including to complete your profile, get inspired, get meta verified, grow your audience, introduce yourself, and many more. By closing this page right here, to check our monetization status, you could also click again the 3 lines on the top right corner. And from here, just simply scroll down, then click this creator tools and controls button or option in here. And upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply scroll down once again and click here this monetization status. And from here, you will be able to see your status on your monetization process. However, at this point, I'm unable to monetize my account since I haven't completed all of the steps to set up my profile and many more. But now, closing to this page, you could also navigate this add payments button or option in here, where it will show your total balances or your payments in here. But make sure to also log in your Facebook ad account in here to use your save payment. And aside from that, going back on this page, you could also navigate this branded content if you are now eligible to be part of their monetization process. And also you can navigate a lot of things in here, including these save replies, response suggestions, link profile to shops, and many more. But again, to do that, make sure to also set up your professional account in here or complete these 8 steps. And after that, you can now start generate an income through your social media presence.